Okay, part 2. So hopefully we can do this pretty quick. I'll try to do it one-handed here. So grab it. I don't know if I can pull this off. And you see it, pretty neat. And then I'll go and put this in. Hopefully it'll go in. Other way, other way. I always forget that. There we go. Yeah. This can sometimes be a challenge. I'll put this down. Okay. Okay, so what you got? At least it's rolling again. Could be rolling.